psychophysics, the correlation between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And so as I got into music, so I'm not a musician in the strictest sense. I'm a research scientist who got into music to understand music from another perspective. There's another way of
Never
articulating.
pronounce it that would expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, that's frequency, that's velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature. Intensity. While this sound travels, it has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity, it has acceleration, it has momentum. Amplitude is the loudness, frequency is the pitch,